Now, yesterday, the NIO stock closed the day trading up almost 4%. Now, this is something that which is good or amazing, because this comes after we've seen a lot of stocks dropping so sharply, especially the growth stocks, which is something that is making the consumers to panic, and some are even selling some of their good quality stocks, like of course NIO, because NIO, if you've been following me for some time, it is the stock that we've discussed a lot on this channel, because it is one of the stocks that, or in fact it is the stock that is seriously dominating my stock market portfolio. And I've done a couple of videos, of course, showing you how aggressive I am on this NIO stock. Now, ladies and gents, one of the latest good news that obviously made, I would like to believe, made this stock to recover like this, it is for a fact that obviously we read wonderful news of saying that NIO has officially started with the deliveries of their NT 2.0 in the 4 European countries, which is something that is incredible and amazing. And those of you, again, who have been following this company, you will know that NIO, by the end of this year, will be delivering vehicles in 5 European countries, namely Norway, which was the first destination which NIO started selling their cars, which, by the way, Norway, this week, we might see NIO officially selling 1,000, or having to complete 1,000 sales of their NIO ES8 and the ET7, which is something that is incredible and something that must just make you to see that NIO is doing well, or also outside of China. And like I said, by the end of this year, we'll see NIO selling their cars in 5 European countries, namely Norway, Netherlands, Germany, Sweden, and Denmark, which is something that is incredible and something that must just show you that NIO will be selling their cars in more countries. But before we get deep into this topic or latest developments that we just read yesterday, you already know that this video is just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. Now, I really appreciate if you can just hit the like button if you do enjoy the content that I'm giving you about the NIO stock. Now, as I've said, NIO has started delivering cars in the other 4 European countries. I mean, on social media, in the streets of Twitter yesterday, we saw the president of NIO obviously celebrating their first delivery in Netherlands, which is something that is incredible and something that must just show you that it has begun. Now, you remember that in the 4 European countries, Netherlands, Denmark, Germany, and Sweden, you remember that NIO, during the launch, or the European launch, NIO indicated that they will be doing a lease plan into those countries. But later, of course, we saw the consumers, or most consumers, complaining about that, and that is when NIO CEO came in and said that they will also give an option to buy. So the NIO users, or those people that want to buy NIO cars in these 4 European countries, or new European countries, will also have an option to buy, like Norway, which is something that is incredible and something that made a lot of consumers to be really excited. Now, we read yesterday still that the NIO president indicated that before December, or the people in these 4 new European countries, they will have an option to buy before the 25th of December, which is something that is incredible and something that will generate or bring in some good sales onto the NIO cars, because these are the cars with a top-notch technology in it. These are the cars which, ladies and gents, they are not just beautiful, but they are coming with some massive and good technology fitted in them, which is something that is incredible and something that makes them to really be compatible and will make them easily attract consumers to come and want to buy, of course, the NIO cars. Now, to get the CEO of NIO indicating that they will start with the sales, or they will open, of course, the option to buy in the 4 European countries before Christmas, it is something that makes me to be really excited, because not only will the NIO clients or NIO users have an option to rent or lease their car, but they will also have an option to buy, like what they are doing in Norway. So this is something that really made me to be so interested, because it will generate NIO more revenues, which will then get them a step closer to profitability. Now, NIO is a company that, ladies and gents, you will know that it is just set to do very well. Delivery wise, the CEO has already told us that from the ET5, they are expecting to deliver over at 10,000 vehicles, or around 10,000 vehicles just for the month of December, which is something that must just show you that these ET5, ladies and gents, in terms of deliveries, it will sell alone 10,000 vehicles, which makes us, or which can make us to easily conclude that for the month of December, we can see NIO easily delivering over 20,000 vehicles, including all the other vehicles, that is the ET7, the, of course, ES7 stroke EL7, and the other old models, ES8, ES6, and the EC6. So I'm really excited to get to see that obviously NIO can easily deliver over 20,000 vehicles in December, just for the month of December alone, which will be record breaking. And the fact that, of course, the CEO has promised us that in the Q4, meaning that from the month of October, we are going to see NIO delivering record breaking deliveries each and every month. So October, we can expect NIO to deliver at least a minimum of 13,000 vehicles. In November also, we are to expect NIO to deliver more vehicles than the vehicles that they will deliver in October. Same goes to December. We are to expect NIO to deliver probably over 20,000 vehicles, which is something that is incredible and something that is making me to remain bullish, stay long and strong onto this NIO stock. These low trading prices that we are witnessing or seeing onto the NIO stock, I think it's a bargain, looking at the kind of deliveries NIO can easily produce or will be producing in the near future. So these kind of share prices, or this kind of ridiculous share prices on companies like NIO, I definitely think that you should definitely go in and, of course, load the boat, increase your holdings, as this is a company which is just set to do very well. And you remember that NIO plans to become profitable between the Q4 of 2023 and the Q1 of 2024. And in 2024, you remember that NIO plans to start selling their sub-brand model called Alps, which obviously it is targeting the middle in class people, which obviously it will also attract some of the lower income classes people to go in and probably go and consider buying that Alps brand, which NIO will start with the deliveries in 2024. NIO is just a company which is just set to do very well, and those of you that are persevering, loading the boat, increasing their holdings, are definitely going to be rewarded, because by 2030 the CEO has already told us that they plan to be in the top 5 when it comes to the car, or this car business worldwide, which is something that is incredible, and it is something that makes me to remain bullish, stay long and strong, because this is a company which is just set to do very well. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I should just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you load the boat, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence, because whatever I was saying here are just my opinions, and you should not take them as a professional financial advice. So do your own DD so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing, not only in NIO but in all the other stocks that you might maybe find yourself interested in or wanting to put your money in. So do your own due diligence, as it helps with the comfortability during these tough times where we are seeing stocks falling so sharply. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.